Just the beginning, baby. Success is one hell of a feeling, baby. Not everybody get to feel it, baby. A good grind to change your life, nigga. You just gotta hang around the right niggas. It's the reason I don't like niggas. Blow up and they ain't for your life, nigga. Being real do not come with a price, nigga. You either right or you ain't right, nigga.
Message!
It's right!
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Catloco, and today we're at the Liberty, Missouri junkyard. So like the last junkyard, it was like 35 degrees. It's 30 degrees here, and it's a freaking mess. So they kind of changed it up on me. This yard used to be all GMs in this section over there. Now they got all the trucks. Looks like Ford over there. But this really threw me off. It's 30 degrees, like I said. There's some water, but it's mainly ice. And then what they decided to do is they literally put 40 cars on each side. So I gotta walk past at least 40 to 80 cars just to walk down this aisle. So finding a car, you see where those cars are in the middle? All of this is GM. So that's about 80 cars right here. And we got at least 20 more rows. So finding a car is very, very difficult. Especially when you're walking on ice cubes. Like I just slipped through this one. And like even where it's water, you think it's water, but it's ice. So you just like fall through it. But anyway, I'm gonna carefully get my way through here and hit you back. Now this is definitely a first for me. Who went through all this effort? And then how did they lift it out of here is the question. They chopped the whole top off the car. It might have been cheaper just to buy the car. They took the engine, transmission, the whole top of the car. They just chopped all the pillars in the front, the middle, and the back, and took the whole roof and the engine. They left the hood. Like, what the hell is this car? I don't even know what the car is. But anyway, I thought that was cool. I've never seen that. So we actually found two of the G6s. This one here, and then this one over here. This one does have a sunroof, like a normal one, and it's not the power seats either. And I don't really care for these seats. The black and gray I just don't like. So that's a dud. This one here is a 09. Got smashed in. No power seats. The gray interior. Gray on gray. No roof on that one. And this one's a 05. So we found at least two of them. There was a G5, but that's not what we want. That I saw earlier. But I'm just on like row like 4. And I gotta go all the way down there. And all the way through this. But I'll turn it back on. So I actually found an 08 Grand Prix And this one, I can't lie, I like a lot. I'm kind of digging these seats. Some really nice seats. Huh. I don't like how boxy the headrest is, but I like the back part. I kind of like that front part. I kind of like curves out a little bit, protrudes out. Check out the back. Back a little messed up, but I think it's just pulled in a little bit. The back ain't bad. I don't know what that does. Let's see what else we see. So we actually ran up on another one. This is actually a coupe. I guess I came a little too late for this one, so I took the engine trans, but we don't care about that. The seats, these are in, I mean, it's dirty, but has like a cigarette burn or other burns on the seat. But I like the two-door seats because I can fold back. That's a nice option. But someone took the driver's seat. Maybe they watched my video. I don't know. Oh, no, they didn't. So they took it out, but then they didn't. I don't know if they didn't want it or why they just took it out. I don't know what they pulled it for. But I mean, that one's in decent condition. Except right there on the. It's a little scuffed up, but no, it's probably from being out in the weather. Being rained on. It's all faded now. I totally missed that. So looking at this steering wheel, I don't know why they did that. Maybe the airbag, yeah, it looked like the airbag got deployed, and they just like duct tape. Oh, duct taped it back together. They probably took the motor, now I'm thinking about it. But I don't think that's power seats. Okay, they did take a motor. But this one only goes like up and down. It's not the heated version like the ones I got. So I think that's at least 3 of them I know I've seen. I want to say they have one more. Because this is 09. And we're like halfway through. Well, yeah, we're about halfway through looking through the cars. Let's see what else we can find. So I think this is actually the last G6 in this yard. That's all ice. Yeah, no roof. It doesn't have the heated seats. 4-door. 2006. Yep. So I think that's the last one they got here. So I'm gonna walk through a little bit more, but I think that's all the ones I need to see. They don't have anything old here. But if I come across it, I'll let you know. But it's your boy Catloco. Remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe. Share if you want. Peace.